Hi, my name is Dr. Saif Sayed.
Hi, I'm Dr. Sana Sayed, and we are the admin and owners of iSmile Dental Center.
So today's video is to give some iSmile Dental Center's protocols for all our patients henceforth.
During this period, we have received at least 70 phone calls from our patients for pain-related treatments. Although we couldn't physically help you, we've tried our utmost to help you through telephonic consultations, through analgesics and antibiotics. We also thank you for your support and your compliance. We do understand that although dental pain may not be life-threatening, but it is certainly agonizing.
So firstly, we have taken every effort in understanding COVID-19, its transmission and its prevention. And this is the reason why we have taken up an online certificate course from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine.
We sincerely request you to follow all the protocols what we are mentioning in this video. Whether you're coming to our clinic for the first time, or you're a past patient coming to us for years, or you're a new patient which has been referred by a past patient of ours.
So point number one, we will be treating by appointments only. Please ensure that there are no walk-ins and please call us prior to coming in.
There will be social distancing protocols in the reception area itself when you enter. As soon as you enter, we will be giving you a hand sanitizer, gloves, shoe covers, and please allow an assistant or an associate of ours to take your temperature through a non-touch thermometer.
We request you to fill a short questionnaire based on your travel history and your health history. And also note that all the sitting areas in the reception will be crossed out. Certain areas will be crossed out, and we request you to sit only on the crossed out areas and nowhere else.
We are trying to keep a minimum distance of 3 feet, and probably also trying that you're the only person in the reception area at that point of time. Kindly come alone, or you can maximum come with one attendant with you. Also, if it's not a child who's accompanying or the parent is accompanying, we may not allow that person to come inside the operatory, just so that the person is not exposed to the aerosol or any kind of infection there.
Before you enter the dental operatory, our assistant will advise you to rinse your mouth with betadine solution, which you can do in the washroom that is attached in the dental clinic.
The clinic staff and the doctors will be wearing a disposable PPE, shoe covers, face shield, eye goggles, the N95 masks at all times.
Please note that there will be a revision in the dental treatment fees for this very exact reason.
No patient will be allowed to use the spittoon which is attached to the chair of the operatory, and a high quality suction will do the needful and will remove the excess saliva in your mouth.
For every patient and for almost all dental treatments from now on, we will be using a rubber dam. When you come to the clinic, we'll show you how it looks like. Please note that this is painless and it's 100% effective.
Upon completion of the treatment, we request you to avoid cash or card payments. Please make payments in the form of Paytm or Google Pay or a net transfer.
So to conclude, please note that these are difficult times which demand us to go an extra mile in keeping you and keeping ourselves safe.
Please know that we miss the coffee conversations. We miss having you. I miss having conversations with my patients after a mammoth appointment, wherein I used to have green tea and you guys used to have coffee. And to generally have you all over as a part of the iSmile family. You can reach out to us at any time for telephonic consultations.
So we are currently doing some mock drills at the clinic, and we shall notify you about when we are ready to start receiving patients and start with dental treatments.
Meanwhile, this is the number that you can reach out to, since the clinic landlines won't be working right now. That is the email ID that you can leave an email on also. And we request you that although there have been certain relaxations in the protocols with the lockdown, please still stay at home and stay safe and follow all the social distancing protocols as much as you can. Although we will not be seeing you, we request you to brush your teeth twice,
floss regularly,
eat a balanced, healthy, fiber-rich diet,
drink plenty of water.
Stay positive, and we'll definitely see you on the other side of this pandemic.
Thank you for watching this video.
See you soon. Bye.